welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have an exciting PR unboxing as well as this makeup look. I filmed the tutorial for it from start to finish. So if you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. So to start off, I'm using this Lancome primer and it's the Hydro Glow one. So in the summer especially, I get really oily in my T-zone. So I like to set my primer with a wet beauty blender. And I just use my loose powder. I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder. So all you have to do is just pack it on in the areas that you get oily. Otherwise, you're gonna look really dry if you set areas that are normal or dry. So you're gonna look a little bit crazy at first, but it works, I promise. So I'm just blending my foundation in with a wet beauty blender. So I'm gonna use Cocoa by Anastasia, and this is the stick foundation. So for my cream contour, I always like to use a stippling brush. I find that it gives the best results. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out all of these lines. I bought this Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the color F12, but it's too light for me right now. So I'm gonna use it as a concealer today. So before it dries, I'm just going to set it with my banana powder. So while I bake, I'm going to set my contour. And I'm using the shade 185 in the Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder. It looks like this. I'm gonna use this NARS paint pot in the color Mesopotamia. And I'm using this one because I know that it goes on dark for me usually, so I want my brows to be darker today. Ooh, that brow came out good, honey. Yes. Setting my brows with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. So I'm gonna try something new. I'm using this Pop Beauty Prismatic Pop. It's like a highlight. Well, it's supposed to be a highlight, but I'm using it as blush today. And this is the color Lunar Light. I'm gonna try using this as a blush and see how it looks. So this is called the Glow in the Box. This is what it looks like. It's from Pixi Beauty, and it came with 2 highlighters. This one is called Delicate Dew, and this one is called Subtle Sunrise. So I'm gonna swatch them in this video because some people were mad that I didn't swatch all of the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit colors, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so my swatch game isn't the best, but you get the gist. The top one is the Subtle Sunrise, these two, and the bottom is Delicate Dew. And for highlight, I'm more of a gold kind of girl, so I'll probably be using the top 2, but I'm definitely excited to try them all out. They're so pretty. And then they also sent me these beautiful, they're like glitter in a tube. They're eyeshadow, so you can put these alone or on top of any eye look that you do. They're so pretty. There's 5 of them. The first one is called Sunray, and I guess I'll try to swatch them for you guys because I'm nice like that. Oh my goodness. Wow. So the first one, excuse my ghetto swatches, but this one, so this one is called Sunray, and it's like a gold shimmer, and it has like glitter in it. Wow, it's like a liquid glitter. Yeah, that's what I'd say they are. The applicator is like a doe foot one, kind of like a lip gloss. That is so pretty. Okay, so this color is like a gold one. The next one is called Crystalline. These are so pretty. I'm so excited. So that's the next one right there. It looks kind of blue because of the glitters in it are like rainbow. The next one is called Rose Gold. Pretty. It's like a true rose gold with like silver glitter in it. These swatches are so funny. I just hope someone appreciates them. The next one is called Passion Light. It's like a maroon. Yeah, like a maroon with gold glitter in it. I'm curious to see how these will dry down. Like if they'll be sticky or not. So that one. So nice. This one reminds me of like the fall. And lastly, we have Bare Brilliance. This one's like a brown with silver glitter. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Like what girl doesn't love glitter? One. Sorry, it's like super hard to tell, but so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlight, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how these dried down. I'm gonna use the Delicate Duo, and I'm gonna use this gold color. Just taking this on my Anastasia A23. Wow, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I barely like touch my brush on the product. Wow, yes. It's such good quality. Like they're so finely milled. Wow, I'm shook. Pixi did that. Wow, that's insane. And it blends so good. Like, you know, sometimes you put highlight on and it just like looks like a line. This is like blended out so nicely. So I think I found a new favorite highlight, guys. This is so nice. I love it. I can't stop admiring it. Like, this is so nice. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using this Anastasia palette that I have. I'll try to list the names of each individual shade in the description box because they sent it to me like this, so I don't, like, it's not a pre-made palette. They're all individual shadows. So I want the focus of the eye to be on the liquid shadow. Not gonna make it too harsh or anything. Just want to add a little bit of color. Gonna take this color next. The first color I used was this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that into my crease as well. Just gonna run that under my eyes a little bit. I wanted to keep this like a nice fresh summery look. so I don't want to do heavy eyes. So I just popped some of this color into my outer corner just to deepen it up a bit. So this might be a bit messy, but I feel like anytime you use glitter on your eyes, it is messy. So let's go ahead and give this a try. I don't think I need to use a brush because it has that doe foot applicator. Oh yes, this wand makes it so easy to use because it's rounded at the tip. So it gives like that cut crease effect, and I didn't even have to cut my crease. So wow, this is so pretty. I'm so excited. I'm just pulling it up a bit more above my natural crease so that when I open my eyes, you can still see it. Wow, this is like, I think this is my new favorite product for now. But this is so nice. I'm so excited to try all the other colors. Lighten up the look a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline with this NYX white liner. Use my favorite brown liner by LA Girl in the color Cafe. So I just used Creme de Nude by MAC. I'm just gonna top it off with NARS Turkish Delight. So this is the completed look. So much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you guys liked it, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and leave me a comment down below. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.